Hello friends, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம் and welcome to my channel. This video give the explanation for budgetary control in management accounting. First, we have to find what is meaning of budget. So the budget is a quantitative and or financial plan of the policies to the pursued in a future period of time. It may be related to sales, production, different components of cost, cash, etc. So, the budgetary control is one of the most commonly used techniques of control. So, it is the quantitative and financial plan. It is must be accomplish the business objectives. This is to preparation for a future period of time. So it is maybe related to sales and production, various cost of production, cash, it means the cash budget also. Then definition of budget. According to Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, London, budget is defined as a financial and or quantitative statement prepared prior to a defined period of time of the policy to be pursued during the period of for the purpose of attaining a given objectives. First, we have to find out the what is the objectives of a business. It is mean by the example and explanation to the budget. So every budget must be accomplish the aim of the business, and it is the quantitative or financial statement of the particular activities. It is the budget. We know about the budget. Budget is a quantitative statements or financial plan for a future period of time. But budgeting is the process of preparation of budget. What is the process will be going for the preparation of budget is known as budgeting. In other words, budgeting refers to the steps involved in preparing budget. Budgeting requires collection of the relevant information from the different sources possible. It means what are the sources available for to preparing the budget. It is the collection of the relevant information from the different sources possible. The sources may be internal and or external. Then after collecting the necessary information and the determination of the specific policies to be pursued, the budget is prepared for a specific period, giving in terms of quantity and or monetary value the target to be achieved. So then the internal and the external sources will be available for we have to preparing the budget. It is the necessary information collection from this sources of which is possible to be collected. So these are the budgeting. Okay, this item is related to the budgetary control. It is estimate, forecast and budget. What do you mean by estimate? Estimate is approximation or educated guess. To estimate is to calculate approximately. Estimate is generally based on knowledge or skill. So, for example, one expert in this field, they have to find out or the fully knowledge and skill about this particular field. they are find out the approximation between this particular activity. So this is the estimate. Second one is forecast. Forecast refers to prediction or anticipation. To forecast is to predict or project what will occur in future. What is our budget will be executed in future or the next level. So this is the forecast. It is mean by the முன்கணிப்பு. What is the future is. It is the find out the forecast. Then budget. Budget is a financial and or quantitative statement prepared prior to a specific period. To budget is to plan in quantitative or monetary terms. Already we know that the accounting is the monitor, find out the monetary terms, that not only the accounts, all the activities in this business to calculate on the based on monetary terms. So budget is a financial plan or quantitative statement in the specified period. Then forecasting is an essential prerequisite for budgeting. Forecasting helps in planning based on the past performance and current situations. Future trend is forecasted. When the forecast is expressed in quantitative or monetary terms, after due consideration to the policies and the objectives and the responsibilities of various personnel, it becomes a budget. So budgeting begins where forecasting ends. Budgetary control. Budgetary control is the process which includes preparation of budget, measurement of actual, comparison of actual with budgeted figures, taking remedial measures for adverse variations, and incorporating changes, if any, in the revision of the budget. So the budgetary control is the central point of activities of every business, because the budgetary control is the process. What are the process will be entered into the budgetary control? First we have to preparing the budget. The next one is measurement of actual and estimated. So next one is we have to take remedial activities for the difference between standard and actual. Standard will be decreased, the business will be profitable. Then actual will be increased. At the time of the increasing process, we have to take remedial measures for adverse variations and incorporating the changes, if any, in the revision of the project. It is a budgetary control. Okay friends, I hope you have to understand and know about the budgetary control in budget, definition of budget, budgetary control, and some items involved in budgetary control. So thank you so much for your watching this video. Kindly subscribe and like this video. Thank you.